Breaking news, guys. Israel recently just attacked the flotillas that is carrying humanitarian aid into Gaza. Meanwhile, they are following the international water. They never invaded or tried to go through the Israeli territorial water. Let's not forget that Spain and Italy sent their warship to accompany these flotillas to send the much needed humanitarian goods like medicine, supplements, children food, and medical equipment, needed facilities. But Israel still attacked them. So follow for more. Let's know the extent of the attack.